Hello, Trisha Martin here. Today I'm going to teach you how to do some housekeeping in Deep Dream Generator and use some more functions inside of that. But first, here's a new intro. Welcome to my world. I'll talk about how that happened later. It's a story. Oh, crap. Hey, so here we are in Deep Dream Generator. Today we're going to talk about folders. Don't click off. It's not boring. I promise. Yeah. See, now, when they first did this upgrade here, which is what you get now when you sign up, they had a folder system, which actually is pretty cool. I didn't find it immediately intuitive, so I spent some time tinkering with it, and maybe I can use some steps. Some of you probably already know how to do all the stuff, but I'm going to teach you how to folder today. So first off, go to your Deep Dream Generator account, because where else are you going to find the folders? You can find other folders in your house, but they're not going to be these. Anyway, so you want to go to the folder at the top of your bar here. You click on this guy, right? So when you first join up, you'll probably have two folders at first, one for your base images, one for your styles, and once you start making dreams, you'll have one for the result of your dreams, right? So you can go back and get them later if you want to. Think of it as these folders are the neighborhood. These are the neighborhoods that the dreams live in, right? So what you want to do is you can go into your base folder and you can create other folders, as you see I have done here. But you would just go to new folder, and you're like, hey, here's a house, right? This is house 1, 2, 3. That's not very creative. Create. This folder is empty. Well, duh, we know it's empty. So you can upload files into it. So you can upload them off your PC or whatever. So this is the last picture we had. So, you can upload this here picture. This is the person who lives in the house now. This is the potential dream. This one's already dreamed, so that's kind of silly. But the ones that you upload will be, what you want to use for your base image. So base image freak here lives in the base neighborhood, house 1, 2, 3. See this neighborhood? I'm still getting used to it, because I just organized all of my houses here into this neighborhood. What's cool about Deep Dream Generator now is, well, you can always kind of do it, but go back to your neighborhood, your files here. You don't have to use your base as a base or your styles as a style. For instance, I can go in here and, I don't know, click on this guy here, Scully guy, and I can say, hey, I want to use this guy as the base. This is the one I want to apply the dream to. Or I can say, today I want to use him as a style, so he affects another image. So the other image will be picking up Scully guy here in bits and pieces, here and there. So that's pretty neat. Anyway, they're really not hard to use. It's just kind of not intuitive. Like I said, let's go back to house 1, 2, 3. Well, let's say we want somebody else to live. Freak here, she needs a roommate, right? So you're like, oh, you're looking lonely, man. Or I have the perfect person to live with you. Let's say we go into no, I have the perfect wallpaper for your new place. So what you want to do to move this into Freak's house is you go select, you checky mark the one or ones you want. You can move multiple images at once. Then you go here to move, and whatever you select will gray out. They're like, all right, I'm packed up and ready to move in. Put me on the walls over there, man. They're really blank. So then you just go back to where your other house was. So we're in house 1, 2, 3. We want to paste the wallpaper here. Hey, that ended up pretty convenient. Yep. So now Freak has wallpaper for her house, right? She's not lonely anymore. But that's pretty much how you do that. It's not very hard. It's just not completely intuitive because, you know, like on your PC, you can click and drag. Hey, wait, does it work now? No, it doesn't. You can click and drag things, you know. Oh, I think I probably have my, no, I don't have any outside. Yeah, you can click and drag things, other pictures into folders on your computer. You can't do that here. You have to select, you know, check one off, and yeah, you can drag folders in the folder, not drag, but move house 123 wants to go live at the kernel world for a minute. So check move. They're grayed out because they're all packed up and ready to go. Move in with the carnies. Excellent work. Yeah. So we want to move in here, paste it here, and there you go. Now you got that, you know, the whole house moved in with these guys. They're on tour. That's what's going on. But eventually, you know, house wants to just go back home because the Carney folk here, they treated her nice, but they didn't like her wallpaper. So she's moving. She was totally offended. So she's moving back to her original spot here in the base neighborhood. So yeah, paste that there. But I don't know. That's pretty much what you do and how you use the folders. I don't think there's anything else I can bring up. Oh, renaming. Yeah, if you want to rename something, you check it. You say rename. It comes up to rename it. But I like my name, so I'm not going to rename it. You can deselect, do it that way. Of course, you can, if you want to delete something, you select, check it, move to bin, and, oh, I should show you what happens. All right, we'll say move to bin, then one item. No, I don't want to do that. Oops, it was an accident. Cancel that. Yep, deselect. All right, but that's how you use the folders, and yeah, make your own neighborhoods. Make your own neighborhoods, full of dreams, full of houses, full of freaks with weird wallpaper. Yeah, it's good. Have a good day. Bye. Or